U.S. corn exporters losing money as China cancels massive corn import orders? Will the suspension of the Black Sea Agreement reignite supply fears? Why are grain imports and exports so important? Import and export of grains refers to the commercial activity of exchanging various cereal crops, e.g. wheat, rice, corn, etc., internationally. These cereals are widely used in food production, feed, industrial raw materials, etc., and are a vital part of the global agriculture and food industry. The import and export of cereals involves several stages, including production, harvesting, processing, transportation and marketing. Stability of the supply chain and food safety are important considerations in the import and export of cereals, and countries need to ensure that imported cereals meet quality and hygiene standards. As a result, the import and export of cereals in international trade is often subject to stringent inspection, quarantine and certification procedures. At the same time, factors such as market trends, changes in production, and currency exchange rates can also affect the size and price of cereal imports and exports. In conclusion, cereal imports and exports have an important place in global agricultural trade and have a significant impact on both national economies and food security. If you are an exporter of corn, what steps can you take to consolidate your grain import-export trade in light of the recent turmoil in the global grain industry? Would you like to learn how to find corn buyers for your export business? Where can you find contact information for corn buyers? I would like to recommend you a good tool that will make your foreign trade business easier. Let's go. First of all, open the Tendata system, click T-Info Customs Data, where there is a huge amount of global customs data, including North America, Asia, Europe, Africa and other regions. You can connect to almost all you want to develop to the country. Select Global Data or the country you have specified and click on Customs Data System. There are a number of options for you to choose from. Select Import or Export Data and click on the country data source to see detailed customs data, bill of lading data and statistics. In addition, you can select the time period, HS code, country of origin, country of destination and other restrictions. This will make your target customers more precise. Enter your product name and filter invalid customers and shipping companies. Click Search and you can get detailed transaction records about corn. Here you can see the product name importer-exporter, importing country, exporting country, and other information. Click the magnifying glass on the left side and so on. You can view the detail data. Here the data is from the real customs transaction records. You can also choose to download this page. How do I go about contacting a buyer once I have found them through customs data? Click on the name of the importer or exporter. You can jump to the company's detail page. Here you can view the details of your intended company, such as social media, including Collingwood, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and so on, which can help you show the company's strength more intuitively. The most important thing is that you can get the contact information of the customer directly on this page. Click Contact. Here directly display the company's staff information, including position, email, calling, region, and so on. If you want to sell your product, you can email the decision maker directly. This is simply too favorable for you. If you're interested in this tool, please contact Tendata by clicking the link in the comments section. Please do not forget to write Sean Wong to get 3 more months subscriptions with the same fees. See you next video.